How to turn on show contact photo on iOS 26 on your iPhone. Tap on settings icon, scroll up a bit guys, tap on general, tap on software update. Now if there is any update here on your device, go ahead and update your device to the latest version of iOS, which is iOS 26. Come back from this place, scroll down until you get to apps, tap on apps. Now from the list of apps you have here, scroll up until you get to message app from the list of apps you have on your device. Here you can as well tap on this search apps, type in message. Now tap on message, scroll up a bit until you get to this button that says show contact photo. Tap on it to toggle it on. That's all guys. You've been able to toggle on show contact photo on iOS 26. If you get this tip and if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.